Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. August 26th, 2021. August 26th, Mifambule. God is good. You know, Mifambule, everything why they do audio messages. Now, one thing I'm not going to mention, say, to my condolence, they go out to the family members, them, Namakeni. First of all, at school, so we lost a whole teacher, Augustine, I think, name, one of the guys that were killed, Namakeni. Now, school open, them parents, them, the mama, them, we get picking, they will get for begin go school. We know, say, the free education, not free. People, they spend money. Then mama and now they get for the struggle for them to pay school fees and buy all this the supplies for them picking the need for start school. Thousands of families are suffering in that country like today. We can't play, first of all, what I would do, I can't play this audio of this lady. There's a certain lady will make a comment. And what you want for draw now the inference. With a draw comparison now with all of the previous messages, them we don't go all this time way lead to the death of hundreds of Sierra Leoneans if we not reach the 1,000 of Sierra Leoneans them at this particular point because of messages them where the SLPP surrogates them on social media, they propagate violence against our people. Now we make it clear, Section 26 of the Constitution 1991, it make it clear, see, every Sierra Leonean has a right to the protections of their protest, a right to associate, to belong wherever they want to belong. People get right for congregate and assemble and protest. It is there in the Constitution, it is protected. So there is no crime for anybody for ask anybody for protest because we see every day across the world, people are protesting for their rights. And governments are ostracizing some of these people, but of course, they're getting the pay for what they're doing to our people. So I can't play this audio of this lady. I do a video from what I already don't see. Because guys, we're not taking these things lightly because people in the past within this SLPP government, then talk, then go kill Namakeni. They incite the government, they go kill Napademba Road prison, they massacre prisoners them. Tani Bola always, you hear the music when a musician pulling this there. Then talk, then go kill Natombo. Then talk, then go kill Nalosar. Then talk, then they chase with people them. Then talk, Sherifu Keru die. Then talk, people like DJ Box and Guinea, Sierra Leoneans are not on their way coming out of the country and Guinea. They talk. These things have been precedents with again and again and again. Then guys, they had a talk. Marabio go call we all terrorists. In people in country because they stand up as an opposition when it is not a crime for the opposition to stand up. All kind of messages from Marabio when he was in opposition. I ain't go resist and go stand up. There will be catastrophic outcomes if there are all elections and all that stuff. They're ready for make sure say they're not go serious full if the results not go the way for go. All them talk people talk within the SLPP. And we don't begin say those talk the way they talk, it can't to fruition. People lost their lives, which is why I'm going to play this audio of this lady. They say this lady in England, we don't serve this lady. But the fact of the matter is, statements like these, when we look now, we see President Bio and all see and we're going to talk here recently. It's going to expose a weapons exhibition. It's going to look for buy weapon. We don't know if he buy weapon, but this lady don't come out. He can't confess now, say, Mother Bio don't go buy weapon where they spray acid from people. And again, this is a genocidal talk. Now, so then here begin. When you look, you go into the Germany situation where they get the Nazis them, Adolf Hitler, where they go after the Jews them, mortal man than the young kind. They say no, that why not so we kind them. So that why what we for do them? We for put them inside oven, we for roast them, we for put them inside oven, we spray gas on them. Things like those. That's what happen. We don't see example after example, precedence after precedence. So when this lady talk this talk, it just make people like a way where they read, where we mind them open. We give you a flashback into things that have happened in the past. Sierra Leoneans, we look what happened inside Sierra Leone. You look at the terrible history of the SLPP since 1965, coming with the criminal libel laws for bring one party state that we country, carry with a brutal rebel war and kill with people. And what is the contribution of this lady, people like these? But let me play because I don't want to say what he say. Let him talk for himself because the thing is, this is the kind of things where me no get mind talking kind about talk there. In as much as SLPP is not good for us, we not go car with machine for can spray SLPP with acid. We don't go with machine with a gas or whatever for can use them against our people. These are weapons of mass destruction we're talking about. We cannot take lightly with this. Una sabi this lady, una go no, but let me play this. Let me hear it from this lady herself, from the horse's mouth. Now listen to this.
Yes. I'm off for a wedding. At the wedding. My party Bobo married today, yes. He said one day, God will bless me. It's now. Una don't let like a other. Pum 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 pum. Una don't let. You know what you do? Let's let you don't bring machine come. We get acid. What they spray una. That's what they spray una. Pum pum pum. Una don't let. You know what you do? Let's let you don't bring machine come. We get acid. What they spray una. That's what they spray una. Pum pum pum. Una don't let. You know what you do? Let's let you don't bring machine come. We get acid. What they spray una. That's what they spray.
So, folks, when I hear this lady, the music in the background is kind of loud, but I don't say when I hear exactly what she said. It said, President, you don't bring machine cam, we get acid for the spray una. Now, so go spray una. This is a crime against the state. Matter of fact, you guys in London, lawyers in London, what am I advising you guys to do? Sierra Leoneans, not only lawyers, because Salon people are afraid, when they say law business, Salon people are afraid law courts bad. The court systems are there for situations like these. This lady should be prosecuted in London. This lady should be reported to the British government, because if anything happens, we have somebody to fall back on. People like these should lose their standings in societies where civilized, like the United Kingdom. She has no place in the United Kingdom. For a statement like this is a genocide she's preaching, destroying segments of a population. They promote mass extinction, because that is what this lady they promote now, and this is why it's terrible. And like I said again, people in the SLPP have said things in the past. People lost their lives, and Sierra Leoneans, we cannot sit back. We cannot sit back and giving the examples they all don't see. When them people there talk, President Bio, they listen to them. Now they say President Bio don't come with machine where they spray acid. This lady don't tell we. Is this information we should not use? Sierra Leoneans, them we for serum callously and carelessly? Should we sit back callously and carelessly? Is somebody going to take action? Would this lady be prosecuted? Because they can't say again, we don't see across the world, not so inside Salon no more. When people start for preach them kind of about hateful messages there, when they feel say it's okay because you're not on their side, you know they see their foolishness, you don't see their sycophancy, you know they support what they support. All of a sudden you're an enemy. All of a sudden you're an enemy and you should be destroyed. Your life should be taken away from you. Look at the case of what's happening to that sheikh right now. Because he talked against the government, they say don't talk against the state. Who is the state? Marabio. All of these things, we're not making them up. And that is why it's very important when we hear it like this, because now so we underestimate words of these guys when the SLPP kind of power. We underestimate the word they will talk. When they say we go chase una, we go kill una wait some, una watch, una feel say una lawless, we go show una say. These were the same people that were exercising their rights to free speech, propaganda up and down in the international community. But when people can now, they talk the truth, tell them say them the thief. Fatima Bio the thief. Fatima Bio millions of dollars wait for go to ministries them. Fatima Bio get them.
Let me just pick you up from this point we talk about the talk about we will not underestimate them.
Go ahead.
Let me tell you something to make me underestimate SLPP state. All the things they do so serious alone, they said it when they are in opposition. They say if we come, if we got do power, we kill una, we sack una, we go chase una, we go rape una sister na areas them, we go burn a party office them. We saw it. Everything when they say come to pass, we saw them burn party office them na Moyamba na Tayama, we saw them do and na other part of the country, we saw them and others. What they say, we saw them boil house them, burn people house them. I can't like Sengu Kuruma house, Mame Farmer, they burn the house, they chase them, they put them wrong, so they own police them and soldiers and they stone them, they wrap them stick inside Kerima, they buy that's what they say in opposition. So whatever thing they say, anything you hear the person talk, take and say they know it from the top. We see who said in the opposition, when the chairman, you can they say they support Lion and my statement say if they lose election, then they bet and the bet they start future. They will see how they be intensify rudeness, how they intensify violence, how they intensify so many things. Then we saw when non kind of governors, people like Austin Johnny make an audio saying the tag APC people they killed from the former president, street members of parliament, former members of parliament, chairmen, mayors, and so many things that we should begin ban members of parliament who want to lose their life or they work and find it. Me, a victim of that statement and they where actually they make statements against me. See, they just make an audio. They don't go to state house and say me I want to tell more about two governments. Any statement they make not nautical play. See, they just want to talk. Nothing the way they mean. And so that statement here, now so the begin problem with the genocide. Yeah.
Now remind them with Austin Johnny audio. That player for you real quick. Not forget side this one.
Player don't pick up from that point. Yes, I didn't forget.
We don't plan out and we're ready for execution. We're ready for make sure safe the properties and lives of this country and the president where we vote for. We're ready for protect them yesterday, today, and tomorrow. If the APC venture, let me tell you that what you go do that. The entire former executive, the current executive of the All People's Congress, they all will suffer the consequence from the chairman, the leadership of ANESCO, take down to the least member of the national executive of APC. Dr. Samuel Kamara, in Pikinden and in close associate, they all will suffer the consequence of the action where APC don't plan for do tomorrow. The likes of Ambassador Yansanedem, they all go suffer in Pikinden, in wife, and in close associate. They go ever remain the token as history. All former ministers under APC, we serve under that party, they all, with their wife them, their close associates them, any of them Pikinden where they above 18 years, they all go suffer the consequence of waiting when I don't plan for do tomorrow. All former members of parliament under una party, then now, then Pikinden, their wives them, right? Then go suffer the severe consequence of waiting when I don't plan for do. The current members of parliament under that party, hey, make I tell you that when I go suffer the consequence of waiting.
Comrade, come back in, my brother. But we just want to remind Sierra Leoneans that we get a receipt. These are people where just because people are saying for protest, this was how SLPP was sending these kind of messages. These are the kinds of messages they were sending. Comrade, go ahead. You're a victim. You suffer at the hands of these guys waiting because somebody feels say they for send a message out for them to go harass you. Go ahead, comrade.
Now the same thing they do to former Honorable Keru, where they lie partner. They pull up, he can't say anyway go now. After a few days, he died. These are the habits of the SLPP. And so many statements not made by people, SLP, where people in the suffer. We should say, Josephine Jackson, where they stand for member of parliament that constitutes 110, where make statements say, ANC former president, they stone people, they seek and walk by call people, about Julius Abaka, not the cash all and coal. They say, see cash or cash or dinner at a lopo, they say, 110. We should say they arrest cash or a whole council chairman and go look at just because he makes statements, they make you do viral. They begin chase people like Kamokaba, about Julius Abaka, Ramide, and cash or and so many people, wait, they know this, begin chase them. So then, audios there now, like this was me with the very serious. We see what in President Biu, who say and we're going to talk. We say and snap, yeah, I'm on the people and thanks them. But I don't know how far and wide you work at. This is from one of the strongest supporters. They say the man don't go buy gas. And not to say that not start out. And they tell us the statement that not start long before this time. Now, statement don't even know he, but sometimes they would tell the statement to him appropriate. Now, will not forget about what think of the genocide na Rwanda in 1994. Now, simple statement them. Somebody make music. They plan a radio station, 2 radio stations. Now, in 100 days, there are more than 800,000 people officially where they come to radio and that way they don't know. Value of where they come to 800,000 people in 100 days genocide. Now, so Saddam Hussein talked in 1989, 90. Where the countries and grab like a plane and say get gas, we all should be happy. Anybody who knows history. 1989 when Saddam Hussein is spraying gas by the countries in Iraq.
Yep. So
this lady for them talk the word here and that man go that Turkey. We all know what's in that within that side. They say, "Madam, don't go buy gas for nothing for anybody who you want to protest." Now, a statement who we as Sierra Leone and so forth not for underestimate. What would they condemn them here? If we not condemn them today, Madam, you are not going to say. Is an example, a replica of Albert Magai. Now, so in the kind of they can short time for can destroy country. Albert Magai can in 3 years that only lead to one party state. Madam, you don't come in 5 years. They can't lead to so many things that we not challenge that today because what challenge that today we don't talk for condemn Madam. They do them here because we don't let any other government, any president please say they can't do what Madam this will go free in a lie. Some of who go to snap again, but now what's that now because let us not see why we are not be talking yesterday. because this time we don't like Salon for almost 60 years ago. Nobody can challenge government. But this statement here, as Salon a post-war country, we don't see SLP to the tap people, we don't see the rape people in the southeast, how they kill people just because they come SLP and go independent and they talk them. This will not for joke with that statement here. Why will not for joke with them? Me na a victim. Me come recruiter. They say me want overthrow and a mother view. Why resign? I know about weapon. I know about uniform. Even the military could not put counter that statement they foreseen a lie. Post they resign, you go to your weapon. Me go report, they arrest me. I go make that Road, April 29 last year. And so far 8 months in incarceration. They are always a defense side, and that's the thing. They not of now. Now make a call somebody like Johnny. I don't call so many people not make statement with not threatening. Arata say Arata Papa. He make audio saying it go for election. He happy. No sham. Not to say that I don't start. We also the first the sister talk about mob justice. He said this country they do mob justice to blame. Fatima, your first lady. He talk him. If you do this, instead of talking anything from the first lady. So nobody. No, you say first lady talk about mob justice. So this one will be for almost, but guys, that makes us very successful. They kill APC, former members of parliament from the former presidency can't release person. So that statement here, you don't begin take a turn. Wherein, if we not stand up now for telling that statement here, we'll make complaint at the appropriate side. Waiting here for happening. People from other parts of the country, not specifically the opposition party, let's say go ready now for anything to happen. Anything to happen now, if we not be careful, we head for the worst genocide because Salone is sharply divided in a regional 9 base and tribal 9 base. Period. It's sharply divided now. Whatever happened at Salone today, it will be the worst. Now make a place, so if we not be careful, the worst is yet to happen because 1991 was in a plane and nothing. Because Salone not been get this tribal divide, Salone not been get this regional divide with the worker. Now we are sharply divided in regional line and tribal line basis. 90% of them play, I don't know, let's say play cult. They don't see the bad things or even the good things of Sierra Leone. They just feel say, they know the common SLPP. There's not really for them. Whatever they say, then when they make statements, the statement genuine. So the whole president goes to them. If they pull inch by Alibayo, say that and they make it. Yeah. Yes, they will pick pull a statement them, but they don't pull a statement then they talk and go free. Nobody for do nothing. So this is high time. Law will begin challenging the statement and by statement they take part of like play. When they say they begin make a begin like para say one day man say they can go go spend almost 1 year at jail. We get for look at here. But next statement here, if we not look at now, talk and expose them now. Tomorrow if something happen, me should say go for. But we don't now. We they keep them as an evidence that make us in only say audio don't lost. So I say any statement that make we get the audio or keep them because then audio are here for witness against on our court tomorrow. If something happen, we get for stand up. This lady not sabi. We don't want to know as if we don't want to talk about person because alone issue them but for talk about. But if somebody want brings or two one threaten the whole country life. We get for bring about to the people back. We don't talk about somebody. If you attack me, communicate talk as most of people. We don't this reason because that no say now we can do. We don't this alone. We don't look salon. But if you talk something, they will get for jeopardize each and every single night life. We bring about to all my area back so that they will not see this post that they find inside for let them keep players alone.
Absolutely, Comrade. You know, and the thing is this, you know, these are the same people, now we want them. Say, hey, when I look what's they happen, you know, within the SLPP, in the southeastern part of the country, in the chap themselves, there's small zonal elections them day. Where, you know, if they do unto themselves, why they not go do unto other people them, especially when you have people like this lady them, where they come out and make them kind of a statement there. Again, this is when they refer this to like the Holocaust, you know, massacres of people them, the Kurds, where you mentioned so now the Kurds them na Iraq, where Saddam Hussein go spray them with gas. These are the things, and that is why it's very important. Let people hear this. Listen to this.
Una don't let like all day. Una don't let. You know what you do? President you don't bring machine gun. We get acid for the spray una. Yes. Una don't let like all day. Una don't let. You know what you do? President, you don't bring machine gun. We get acid for the spell.
Cashbox, take it from there, my brother. Take it from there, Cashbox. This lady said, President, you don't bring machine gun, we get acid. Again, we don't care about, we don't sabi this lady, we don't know. What we look is the content of what she's saying, the message in there. Based on all the past precedents then. Talk to me, Cashbox.
Thank you, Ibrahim and Comrade and People's Power. Famblem on a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. You know, some of the interesting thing about this, Ibrahim and Comrade and we all, that the fact that some of these countries, this president visits, or this particular country, We don't see human rights abuses them where it be say, as comrade creator say, this region, anything can happen.
Thank you so much.
These are some of the dangers them where it be say we get them people there where they can do anything for money. When you look at the trend where we country don't go, we all mention like they kind of like, I don't know if because now insecurity of this government now in they make them do all that in there. This is my own personal view. When you look at like they just feel say they're so unpopular that the only way they can have their way now for destroy the people and force power upon the people. They want make the, by force, by power, by force, the people need for accept them. This is waiting at a suspect. You they kill the people, I mean they suppress the people, I mean they make the people angry every day in that country, but yet still, before you find a solution, before that you want make the people accept you by fire, by force. The reason why I say this, every time when the people all them see them when they don't kill people for a genuine reason. Nobody no go tell me say not a genuine reason. When you go Tombo, the reason why they want to stop the fishermen for fish, that was a genuine reason where they say the people are supposed to eat. You kill them there. The people in Amakeni, like them back the generator, not genuine reason because now they back up generator. Whether not back up or not, like it don't matter. But now back up means say that means like the other one where they get chance for break.
Cashbox, Cashbox. It is interesting you say genuine reason. Cashbox, give me an example of a crazy reason why people in the protest at this part of the world. Look how you do in London. Somebody they grab a protest number for say because he blocked me view. Then they grab, they go protest.
Yes.
Then they protest because the animal lost. Then they protest for that.
Exactly.
Let alone people exercise. Talk to me.
Sometimes you see we need to tell people and make people understand because in Salon with mentality they say some man they protest for no reason because they hate. Because if you remember, even the Minister of Basic Education, they talk like I say the people in that Salon are not patriotic. They do anything for giving the government bad name. This not even imagine then they come in the country there. The first lady they thief money in that country. People them they come protest. If they tell we say we not like we country, we're not patriotic. Then make this is the reason we make like I say genuine reason. As you say, it's not supposed to be any genuine reason for somebody to protest. As long as what he feel, now he feel people protest. But the reason why I use the word genuine now because like I just want to make people understand. Say these people are not just the Sidom and like just say, oh, we were kind of like bring SLPP down. No. It's some more issue come on. For heaven's sake, you want to stop people from go fish when we say these people are livelihood based on that. You want to make them sit on the watch? But you see, these guys, when they don't bend on now for make sure say, they try to say we they brutalize on and therefore accept we anyhow how it time when they accept we. The people still they die now hospital because lights not there. You want to make the people keep quiet. The doctors they strike in that country. Which time name Catherine Cole from where he said that they return to work until they relieve like the deputy minister, the permanent secretary, and all that, the chief medical officer of their duty. Then they go back to work. In that case, they don't die. They don't go back to work. They still, this is not the reason. Before that, wait till they begin to talk and say that people are the sabotage them. But Ibrahim, look, Austin Johnny talk about how they get from how the president and all that thing they say comrade Kuwaiti want go overthrow government. And that's how they tell you say they kill people like the well election, they broke ballot box in that country. If now any of like the opposition party them be doing that person they what's in a jail right now. We don't see even the reason why make a remember for rape case. We see it like inside they say the Moyamba president Bio Ifambul in rape. You see the ever and go na police station say
Cashbox. Cashbox. Cashbox,
Yeah,
talk to me about, talking about confidence. This lady in statements where he makes so now in London, say the government don't buy a machine that has acid to spray its citizens. Talk to me about confidence when it comes to investors, business, how SLPP continue for damage the economy with statements like these, because this is their supporter. Talk to me about that.
look, Ibrahim, this whole thing is laying the premise for who side we get for exactly to this confidence. You see, waiting with the feel for realize that the fact that as African countries, Salone, they don't label we as a very unstable and shaky country when it comes to investment. For making when they make their utterances there, and not only get people that they make the utterances there. We don't see example in the past. Every utterance where they make, then they act upon them. Any Jack and Jill within the SLPP, they make a statement, then the government act upon it. Until I make a statement like is it Honorable Kewu die now that country day. Austin John Indian, they don't make a statement. They see them go arrest people. Until I make a statement, they arrest Comrade Koeta. You see, these are some of the things that which people in the field for realize Africa, we get for make we rebuild we country Salone. We get for make sure say we bring that in that confidence when you talk about. I think yesterday back you asked the same thing. For make you see a president go to Turkey, where in a way for me that is semi-rogue state. They go there, then just after that, we always see if you won't do that Turkey with everything else we can learn from Turkey. It can learn from Turkey because Turkey they make $100 million from the water where they get na Turkey. Waiting we get now we own country, we can make 3-4 times waiting Turkey they make out of the water. This man could have learned from the marine resources in Turkey. All waiting it go there for now for make it go do look about arms. Ibrahim, let me look at this. How they go perceive how investors they go perceive country. If we serious for investment, for make people them come off from sufferness. This is not the reason we make with confidence they be dented every day in that country. And this is not irresponsible for the suffering of that of people of lives in that country. This is not irresponsible. We don't get anything when they encourage investors them for going to that country. All waiting we they do now for dent the confidence. When you talk about even when you listen to Lima them. All waiting in the talk, but if you listen when Lima they talk, if anybody mistake, anytime when this Lima go na AYV or 98.1, anytime when in the talk, then I forget. Oh, if people have mistake come out, we go deal with them appropriately. With the law go taking, could have said the law not for taking cause, but the fact that una your law and law will suit una. What about the cabinet calendar we go book ballot box? The law taking cause there. The law don't take in cause there at all. When I get selective justice, when they destroy the confidence, this lady and the reason why we talk about this lady is not because we don't see example in the past where people within the SLPP every time they make comments on social media, the government, big full government, they act upon it. This is not the reason why we talk about these things. And then in the year, even Ibrahim, let me when they send box, they go send Lentina, they go sell na Salone. When I see that kind of thing there, it make I'm not sure about Salone. We even the back, look everything. Look, Salone people, look around you. Look around you. Now, please, look around yourself. Waiting realistically, if now you get money, you are going to invest in a Salone. Una look around yourself. Una really go see Salone like say for go invest una money. This is not the question where I left with una today because confidence now underpin everything, every success in the country. Now confidence now get up. And this is what these guys are doing by their utterances, their reckless statements them when they make because they don't respect una life them. They just still say them but to acid powder. The point about Saddam Hussein when he go to acid powder he talks them na Iraq. These are the problems where we get now with country. You cannot treat your people like animals. Even animal them, they get animal rights group them now. You cannot treat them anyhow. That what tell you say, people lives, the need for respect them, and people one of the thing where God make when supersede everything God in creation. So if animals themselves that they country they are in the fight for them. Why make we then they treat we not even animals? I don't even know how they treat we in that country. Over to you, Ibrahim.
Cashbox. It's good you mentioned something about even David Shenge talking about say the people not patriotic to the country. This Bobo, that's what he say. Waiting do in Papa today, there is $2 million where the Auditor General say unaccounted for. We know your time, but this is not what we want to talk about. But these are the people where they speak about patriotism without them even knowing the meaning. This Bobo David Shenge maybe has never even opened up the Constitution for read and let you understand what's the 2 million of the word patriotism. Again, it gets a PhD in prosthetic legs for make fake foot. Then today for that the Ministry of Health for go help people and they for them we amputees they will get at that country they let it help them for make by a fake foot them. Now don't speak the scientific term now. Then they make them foot and then prosthetic legs and they for them people and they not go do it. They go talk about patriotism. But again, coming back to this lady, people's power. This lady say, well, you know salon you get picking and you left and you left the day you picking and the day. This lady say SLPP don't buy a whole machine where they spray chemical warfare weapons. Where they spray chemical, materials on citizens. Acid. What else? Where did they won't know? Now acid no more mention. It could be worse. It could be nav gas. It could be nav gas. It could be sarin gas. It could be any kind of thing. Are we calling on the international community at this particular point in time? Are we calling on the British government to investigate this lady? Are Sierra Leoneans going to take it upon themselves to challenge this lady in the United Kingdom for a statement like this? Are political party leaders, Kanda Yumkelas, Samura Kamaras, are you guys going to take it upon yourselves to challenge this lady? She's SLPP, she's an insider, she has the information, she knows what she's saying, that the government don't buy a weapon. We get the capability of spreading chemical warfare across that country, spray gas with people, acid. Are we going to sit back quietly and say, oh no, this is just another idle talk? What are we going to do with people's power? You have a family in that country. And we know the effects of those gas. I want to go look now online and all that stuff. They don't want to see the effects of these things. Talk to me, people's power. Oh, okay. I lost people's power right there. But these are the things we're saying, though. The network issues with people's power. We'll give some time for bringing in people's power. But by the way, let's just give an update, comrade. If you able to talk to that sheikh, where then drive where they suspend so. I get certain people that know they reach out to me. They want for help them out, with some support. So if you for reach out to Ram, let me know if you're okay with us trying to establish contact. Yeah, because I get one or two folks that will reach out to me. I tell them, say, well, I will try my best because I know say the man is overwhelmed at this particular point, but just in case. But these are the things that are happening in our country. Our democracy is being destroyed at this particular point in time, and we Sierra Leoneans, what are we going to do?
Yeah, well, so Ibrahim, I would appreciate by the way they receive the help, but I equally appreciate that people are doing the help. But let us stand up again, help like the diaspora and this. Instead of sending money for somebody to do so, let's stand up challenge the institution. That somebody not going to be marginalized or they kill them or they rape him or picking them because of he not belong to SLP or that they tried. The helping is very humanity's sake. We know for now if they frustrate them, for now he traumatized. But the other step again, let us stand up again to point out them things here because this is the thing way at the beginning of any problem in our country.
Absolutely.
We will not stand up. And not somebody, not take money, we will send up. End up for over 4 million people, we will not get that money. Nobody will get that money. So how we can to get that?
Well, comrade, I mean, everybody gets the way and I understand which you talk, but make the other people and we get that passion they do. They were willing for help financially. Let them do, because we all get passion and we all get with strength and weaknesses them. So if them people are the ones guy for help financially because of waiting the imam they go through, I mean, it's all part of the thing that we will get for build up for city. This is what individuals them therefore come now and help this lady.
Sure.
So let's just, I mean,
absolutely.
Let we just appeal to other people.
People's power. Okay, I think I don't get people's power back. All right, people's power. Go ahead, people.
Yeah.
This lady said get acid.
Thank you.
She has acid. SLPP get acid. Talk to me, people's power.
Thank you very much, and Ibrahim, thank you very much, Comrade Quita, thank you very much, Cashbox. And Fumble, good morning, Fumble, good afternoon, Fumble, good evening. As I can always tell when I say, I under the courtesy of the National Campaign Unit for Progress, where people they call NCAP for short, being an affiliate but to the All People's Congress Party and ASMIC. Fumble and me, now the people's power, and when I listened to the audio where that lady from I think now England the day we it really unfortunate for let him make that kind of statement today. But to be honest with you, Ibrahim Equator and Cashbox, me it not come to a surprise to me at all. Where SLPP people they make them kind of utterances then they make them kind of statement then they. And like we come Equator be talking no more before they come in power. Then we don't plan all them things here. Then we don't talk all them things here. Say when they come in power, now this and this and this and they do. We don't see a lot of examples where Ibrahim, you don't highlight the examples the day. Cashbox don't highlight the examples the day. Comrequeta don't talk about the examples the day. Waiting don't happen from when and President Bio came 2018. A lot of allegations then where they don't make against people where not then at the SLPP government they take them very serious. And of course, Comrequeta a victim. We see who say a former honorable members of parliament and Honorable Sheriff Kewu, where they make an allegation, somebody then at the United States, they make an allegation against them, and then go and arrest them, and not so you know more at the end of the day, he get for die. And also DJ Box. Now the same allegations they make against DJ Box. Right now, as I talk to us, so one other guy where they call John Bangua, they call John Cholombo, that the same thing in the SLPP they do against us, say, they go buy where APC they go buy the ammunition, they can't get, they train people. Now as they talk to us, so and CID they invite them every 1-2 days for go make statement. Every 1-2 days they go na CID. All the allegations they are so when they make and they tell people and they tell Sierra Leone they say President Bio is fully aware of already the episode. He knows everything where they happen. He knows exactly the things that where they happen. So now how they Ibrahim from Equator and Cashbox. The all weapon then are Kailau. Between Kailau and Kenema, the all weapon then are that side there. Where everybody see the weapon, then they see the people then. Where the only weapon they are there. In fact, they don't use the weapon for even kill people there. Where you and I don't know about it. Waiting happy with the weapon and they waiting happy with that darkest day. 30 days will not give anything. Absolutely nothing will not give bottom. But you get people where they then at the social media. These are SLPP people. They come 30 days. Weapon then at McKinney, you go see the Inspector General of Police. He go make a whole checkpoint. Now the chairman, the leader in resident. He go make a whole checkpoint. Now the former president in resident. So this will take them very serious. We as citizens, we as Sierra Leone, especially we where they at the social media, where they broadcast and talk at the social media for the people of this country also. If somebody when a senior SLPP person. Don't begin talk about acid. Don't begin talk say President. They don't go bring weapon for can't spray people. We get to take a very, very serious. And we call on the political parties, and we call on the religious leaders, and we call on the CSOs them, whether the civil society them, the journalists them, the one they wait for talk. Let them take them to very, very serious. We see them statements here where they happen in other countries like Rwanda. Other countries then they now a single statement that they bring war. Like a this whether lady talk so. Whether woman talk say, President Bio don't go bring weapon them, they don't go bring acid for spray up people them. Who are the people where President Bio they can't spray that acid pa? President Bio don't go spray up Southeastern at them. The people where President Bio go spray that in the pa. Now people where they at the north and the northwest and the western area who are like urban. Because since when President Bio come, they only they kill Southeastern and they will not believe in the SLPP. But if you then at Southeast, you believe in the SLPP, whosoever crime, whatever you do, they go sit down. They amend that to themselves amicably. But if you dare, now the Northwest, whatever thing happen at the Northwest and Western area, Western Biogo command the military officers and the police officers for occupying people. Now we don't get this, we don't get this record, we don't keep up from that lady there, where we understand say it in England, we don't keep these records, and this we get for use and tomorrow as referenced by the grace of Allah. We know say that President Bio operative them, and that President Bio they tell them what thing they do and exactly what the SLPP plan. Now some of them lady are they talk, now some of them guys are they talk. So Fambulem, I don't get much for say Ibrahim Comrequeta and Cashbox, they don't talk everything I also where we feel say that the facts and that the reality where they happen, now the SLPP and where they happen at the ground. So Fambulem, Sierra Leone as the citizens them, when I get a responsibility as like you already tell you now, when I get a responsibility 2022 and 2023, and follow we look and watch who are going to lead we by 2022 and 2023 elections them, where they come, if President Bio don't go buy weapons them, their weapons they fumble alone and no say, if not true say don't go buy weapon them. Not so for Southeastern and them, but for the people them, where they are the Northwestern, Western, they are well and Oban. Over to you, Ibrahim.
You know, People's Power, thank you, my brother. You see, Salon people, when God the faithful we country, so they expose the evil of people amongst we. And this is why these guys, they're not able to set their mouths, but they have to express it. And God is wonderful and God is good. And it's God don't make, we don't get this lady as an evidence now for say these things. And just in case we get any iota, the slight gist, we get the slight suspicion of any of those kinds of activities, of those kinds of weapons that are come today, we know, say, of course, this is a case for the International Criminal Court. This is a case for The Hague. And people like these, especially with this lady and this kind of a comment, this is something, of course, we'll be forwarding letters to the ICC and all these international organizations to understand, because, again, we have precedents. These guys have said these things and they've done it. The president, we see him to the president when people in telling say, go kill people in Amakeni, go call Sierra Leoneans them terrorists and everything, and we have the evidences. So we cannot take these things lightly, and these things are very heavy, and we know they play with this. So Salon people, we all get a moral responsibility. We know in London, we know we live in this part of the world where, you know, we have a system. System works. So we have to use the systems that work, especially in this part of the world where we find ourselves. You know, so people like those, you know, I think say we should be able to take her to the court systems within the United Kingdom to answer queries like those, and she should be on the watch list, if anything. You know, so and everybody else that you know that is in the diaspora that have been, you know, engaging in those kinds of statements. You know, they tell we say they go kill people and all and kind of stuff. Then it's one thing to call people out. Everybody get the right to protest. The SLPP exercise their rights to protest. You know, they have a right to free speech. They exercised it. President Nkrumah created an enabling environment for everybody to speak freely. Civil societies, where are you? We need leaders them for step up at this particular point in time. Members of parliament, are you guys going to open up an investigation into what this lady said? In America, so if any Democrats talk that way, then they open up a whole committee in the House. It'd be big deal, because it's not something to play light with. Members of parliament, are you going to set up a committee now for investigate this? Because we're talking about weapons of mass destruction. We're talking about a biological and chemical warfare being engaged, weapons being engaged in Sierra Leone. And this lady is a SLPP member. She propagates for the SLPP. That is what people have said, at least that we know. But this comment that she makes, this is not something in 2021 to play lightly. She accused the president of buying weapons of mass destruction. She said, President Bio don't go buy a weapon with a spray acid powder. So it could be acid, so any own definition of biological warfare or agents could be acid, but it could be anything else. You guys where they talk, so I can take 10 off for talk because I don't want to sound too militaristic. But these are things we don't play with. You know, matter of fact, right now, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm on a 3-day course, a 3-day program where, ironically, those are some of the things we're talking about. A 3-day seminar where I began yesterday, I did on back by Friday or so. You know, but these are the things we're talking about. Matter of fact, I'm running to go now, but I left now. Any last word from anybody? Communicator, Cashbox. Any last word?
Yeah, I think, Ibrahim, the only thing I would have to say, with all these things, the leaders, the opposition, the parliament, some of these things, they need to keep an eye on it, because, you know, precedents don't tell, we say, everything people have said on social media have been acted upon, on most things have been acted upon by this government. And like opposition leaders, you know, like Samura Kamara in statements where he said the power now President Bio gets him, so he will do anything what he want to do. We want kind of like make Samura Kamara begin to take a lead and see and say the power belongs to the people and not just President Bio. If even he was saying that as a sarcastic statement, he need for say the people are watching and are listening, and make them say the people not get the power. Thank you very much.
Yeah, and that's a good point, Cashbox. Since I've not really elaborated on that statement from Samura Kamara. I think the thing is people listen, and when people listen to Ram, they say what he say about President Bio, it make the people become very lethargic and sit back and say, you know, it's not true. This na get power. No more. Low so far, so go be at 2023. We'll go vote. You know, and so those are some of the things. Anyways, okay, comrade, anything?
I had to Cashbox's statement. For telling you see we can give the people in mind, we say the battles legally we win battles heart and mind of the people. And using their statements to dump the people and state. If say now you get the power, let you not don't tell you now. The one is for the challenge was in which now bring the power. You started killing the whole motive. So we expect them to challenge government, not to run benefits. Well,
thank you. Community network.
So you get me?
Okay. I get you now. With a breakup.
We would expect someone like Kamara them for challenge government, not to come pamper government. Me you two this to flag them on the fed for. No, so one to flag them right now, salute for now. But we try for focus on let people not take advantage of Sierra Leoneans. So a statement of somebody who want to become the next president of Salone, that statement gets so many interpretations. Look at as well talk yesterday. So you know left and 19. Mr. Faka, Mr. Do more than this year. Na lie. Would they end by the person pass out by Madabio? Because this fed not about APC or SF, it's about Sierra Leone. So the statement they follow will be very responsible and very challenging. Challenge them not to say that the president, not say that the president, yes, but the president gets a mandate for work for the people. He signed a contract to tweak the people. Now we signed a contract to say they can't work for the country. But Madam Baby say they can't fix the economy. APC don't fail for 10 years. What's in the money? Let me tell you, Ibrahim. This is a whole topic about himself. But what's in that? Just this a heads up. The APC people in 10 years, some man members of some ministers, some man 10 years, not on deputy ministers, some man 10 years head of Parasita. Nobody will can for now to continue to that piece of challenge now there. Yeah. No, I mean not say we don't see. When I come in the economy in 6 months, in 3 months, nobody, if you want money, the dollar they go up. But you know the things that they dear. No one know which one you know see when I follow this up. Say we be no yesterday, almost have been almost arrested. Or whatever the transport we know the attacking the ports almost they pay and today. No one they can't challenge issues and just keep quiet. That tells you something they are not ready. They just want back in the power, can't do the worst maybe more than mother view. But I line the line. This is what of that so it will continue. We ready for why a responsible statement from them. But this will be a whole topic. No, point. I just want you know more. We know they have this statement. One statement where they say you're not ready for challenge this issue. One can change the system and change the issues them because alone be past all of us.
Yeah, you know, I think what Samra Karan needs to do is to get rid of a few of the I don't want to call them sycophants, but there are a lot of people around and we probably not give them the proper advice on how to handle these things, But anyways, we hope he's not taking light of this because we're not taking light of this. And Sierra Leone, we are yet to have serious politicians, them, especially in a time like this. We don't get serious politicians, them. What we have are people that are very selfish and self-centered. It's all about themselves. As long as their life okay, that's what we have. It's that progressive mindset, and that is the difference with people like us. We have a progressive mindset. It's not about my political party or who's in my region. It's about the interest of Sierra Leone and moving that country forward. And we'll tell you, say, oh, look, Salone, I like my country, I like me Salone, wonderful and all that. But their actions at this particular point, it's not progressive, but it's just political party leaning, self-centered, and selfishness. It's all about themselves. But anyways, when they take actions, we see how they act. We will not say these people are ready for bring the necessary change. Where some of us they look at, where they look at the sufferings of our people and the pain. But again, going back to that lady in statement about buying chemical warfare machines them for spray with people, let us don't take it lightly. If you don't take anything from this message, you guys in London want to take actions, at least through the court system. Something like this needs to go through the court systems. It's for the evidence, it's for the records. And the SLPP government, I hope they would indict this lady for this kind of a statement that she's made. Even if she's their supporter, she should be queried publicly, and we foresee them, and we know say yes, these guys are serious. And members of parliament for open up an investigation into this allegation there, where this lady don't make so at this particular point in time. It sounds like a very factual statement, and we cannot play with this because we don't get precedence. Members of parliament should open up a commission to investigate this matter, especially with the latest traveling of the president. We're going to Turkey for go buy weapons. People have to ask these fundamental questions. Thank you, everybody. Have a beautiful day. I love you. I'm going to take care of myself. All right. Bye-bye now.